when you were patrolling this area between 11 and 11:30, did you have cause to drive over this road, which is the Woods Road, is that correct?
Had some communications, I don't want to know what they are yet, with Mr. Spencer, correct?
Yes, we had a conversation.
And could we agree that he was polite and cooperative with you at that point?
Yes, he was.
This case asks you to look at the obligation that a homeowner has with respect to protecting children. Even when those children don't want to be protected, that's irrelevant. They're children, and that's why we have laws that purport to tell them what to do or help control their behavior. This case asks you to look at that. And if you find that the Spencers knew, which you do from circumstantial evidence, that they allowed a minor to possess or consume alcohol on their premises, and you believe that beyond a reasonable doubt, then you must find them guilty.
Very direct about what this case is about and about what you're going to have to decide. Barry Spencer is not guilty because Barry Spencer did not knowingly allow Alice Cattell, Thomas Gilbert, Nevada Horn, Chelsea Rollins, John Lykin, Callan Donovan, and Katrina Penoyer to drink alcohol or possess it on his property. Every single one of them said in some form or another that Mr. Spencer didn't even see them drinking. And when they saw Mr. Spencer, what did they see? He was doing the very, very thing we would expect somebody to do, that's not allowing somebody to drink on their property. Taking the alcohol away, telling people they're not supposed to have alcohol, and when the police come on the second time, inviting them to come back in there with no restrictions whatsoever, to come help out. Those are the facts, and those are the undisputed facts. It didn't come from just the defense witness today and yesterday, but came from the witnesses called by the state in this case. Now, they may not want to talk about it, they may not want to deal with it, they may not want to tell you about it in the opening statement, but that was the evidence that we heard from their witnesses who got there and raised their right hand and said, this is what happened.
Chantal thought the kids would be safe. They were not.